Hey there, I'm Vinny Arnisi, and I'm here to show you how to install a two-piece American Standard toilet. But first I want to go over what's in the box and the tools you're going to need to accomplish this. Quick recommendation, check your supply line. If it looks old and worn out, just get a new one, you're going to need it. So the hardest part about installing an American Standard toilet is taking off the old one. The first step's so crucial. You need to shut off the water supply. You don't believe me? Check out this rookie. See, a rookie mistake, but an important one to remember. Always start by shutting off the water supply and then emptying out the tank and toilet of all of the water. And by doing that, you want to hold down that trip lever, give it a full flush, empty out the whole tank so you're ready to uninstall this bad boy. Let's take this one out. Before we start our install, there's two main things you're going to have to do here. The first thing, plug up that hole with a rag or an old newspaper because you don't want your T-bolts or anything else falling down the drain. You want to keep that hole plugged because of the sewage gas that comes up. You don't believe me? Take a whiff. Whew! That'll wake you up. So we're going to remove the T-bolts and then we're going to take out any excess of the wax ring that's there because we're going to put in a new one. Just slide that right around. That pops right on out. Make sure we keep that plugged up. There you have it for uninstalling a toilet. If you made it this far, give yourself a nice pat on the back. You deserve it. Now let's install that brand spanking new American Standard toilet.